Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to never get sick. Maintaining excellent hygiene is your first line of defense against illness. Make it a habit to wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds, especially after being in public or before eating. Also, try to consciously avoid touching your face, as this is a common way for germs to enter your body. Regularly disinfecting surfaces helps eliminate pathogens where they live. What you put into your body significantly impacts your immune system. Focus on a diet packed with colorful fruits and vegetables, providing essential vitamins and antioxidants. Don't forget to include lean proteins and whole grains for sustained energy. Staying hydrated is equally crucial. Aim for around 8 glasses of water daily to help your body's systems function optimally and flush out toxins. Quality sleep is a powerful immune booster. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest nightly to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Chronic stress can weaken your defenses, so incorporate daily stress reduction practices such as meditation or gentle stretching. Creating a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's natural rhythms and improves overall well-being. Regular physical activity is vital for a strong immune system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking, on most days. Getting fresh air and natural sunlight can also enhance your health, providing a natural source of vitamin D. Furthermore, pay attention to your indoor environment, ensure good ventilation, and consider an air purifier to reduce airborne irritants and pathogens.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.